Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? Today I am going to show you a DIY about personal hygiene. This is something everyone has to follow. We all clean our teeth every morning, but most of us forget to clean our tongue. The white patch or white deposit on our tongue causes bad breath. Cleaning with tongue cleaner does not help much. So I am showing you homemade DIY to clean the surface of the tongue. So please keep on watching. So for this tongue cleaning DIY, I am going to use a pinch of salt, 2-3 drops of lemon juice and half a teaspoon of baking soda. So in a bowl, add a pinch of salt. This is for one-time use. Just add a pinch of salt, few drops of lemon juice and then baking soda. Half a teaspoon baking soda. So mix all this. Then take a wet brush, dip it in the solution. Then spread out your tongue in a single motion from the top to bottom. You have to rub off like this. All the deposit, all the dirt from the tongue will be removed from the tongue. The salt in it, you should do this in a single direction like this. So the salt, which has abrasive property, it will help to scrub off the deposit, and the lemon and baking soda react with the deposit and clean the tongue. This is a no harm DIY for every person. It is safe for children also, but do not try it on infants. Do this once a week and you'll find your tongue clean and healthy.